I missed it. There was an eagle flying. Oh, here it is. Let's see if I can get it in the frame. There it is. It's in the frame. There's two eagles flying right there. It's hard to zoom in and move at the same time. Here's another one. Beautiful animals. Beautiful. So here's another shot of the eagle that we were seeing earlier. I'm going to zoom in on it as much as I can. Try to give you a better view of it. So we're zoomed in at 20 zoom right now. And here's the bird that was in the distance so far away. So again, we have another juvenile. I guess I'm saying that word right, maybe not. If I'm not, correct me in the comments down below. But here's another magnificent bird. All right, we're off to sea. We're going to try to find. We're going to try to find at least 100 trumpeter swans today. We had a little bit of snow this morning. The river's opening up. Everything is looking good for us as far as wildlife. So, see you on the next video.